All right, so this is day 4 of our boondocking tour around Mojave National Preserve and Joshua Tree National Park. And today we hiked up Kelso Dunes. So you can check out my video on our hike if you want. So this road here, this is just the access road to Kelso Dunes. At the end of the road here, kind of to the east, is Kelbaker Road. And that heads up to Baker, okay, down to Route 66, or Interstate 40. So let me show you what this site looks like. All right, it's pretty flat. There's lots of places to park. Okay, creosote bushes with critters living underneath in the holes. Here we got a bone. Okay, some more parking. There's a trail here, by the way. Here. I have no idea what we're doing. Looks like a little mountain bike ramp. But there's a little fire pit. So that means, I guess we could have a fire. We parked our car this way here because the wind at night will come this way. At least it won't blow out our fire. Wow. So this whole place is all creosote bushes, and here, burro bushes. Okay? So we might see a desert tortoise, maybe a little blister beetle, a Jerusalem cricket. They kind of look like potato bugs. What else? A few of our desert lizards, maybe iguana, a horned lizard, or even a katydid. All right, so it's about 5:30 in the afternoon, and here's our little dinner-ready fire pit. Here we're gonna have a fire and a barbecue. All right, and tonight we're having jumbo premium all beef hot dogs and Campbell's pork and beans. Wow. So we're going to cook them hot dogs over the grill, right? And the pork and beans in a little pan. And of course we have some of our Gallo wine. I'm going to top that off. The temperature right now says it's like 76 degrees. That's not too bad.
Oh, the sweet sound
baby.
of pop.
No screw top here. All right, we're gonna put the little little Mojave in there, or Woodbridge.
Woodbridge. Why Mojave?
My Mojave, and a little bug in my wine, little protein. All right, okie doke. Now we're gonna put the jumbo hot dogs.
Private Selection Jumbo Premium all beef hot dogs.
Perfect.
Premium.
This is the premium stuff for the premium campers out here.
Careful, and don't slice my hand.
3,
They'll rotate.
4 dogs. That'll take about, I don't know, 10 minutes. We'll kind of roll them around a little bit.
Sizzle, sizzle.
And then we'll put in our little Campbell's pork and beans. We'll mix them in this little dish and cut them up. And we'll have a beautiful meal. Wow. So the dogs look pretty good. All right. There they go. Oh, you're going to just chop them there? That's cool. That's a good idea.
Is that big enough?
Sure. Make sure you slice the bottom of the Teflon of the pan.
And it's already pre-sliced.
So it doesn't work anymore. Hey, that's actually look really good. I'm gonna have one.
Have a slice.
All right. That's a good jumbo blog.
All push it up on here.
So we're gonna open up our Campbell's pork and beans. Real value for over 100 years. See, it's a dented can. That means we got it on a discount at the supermarket. or the Dollar Tree. Probably the Dollar Tree. What kind of dog is this? Jumbo.
Private selection.
Private selection. Oh, just Rouse?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, we're going to pour in our beans and our pork. There we go.
Oh, that just looks disgusting.
It looks fantastic. Okay, mix that puppy up.
Everything's in.
There we go.
Except
Can's empty.
3 beans.
Looks great. And we'll cook them over there for about 10 minutes. Top off a little bit of our...
Private selection Woodbridge.
That's right.
See, we're all about private selection tonight.
Private selection, top dollar. Woodbridge by Robert Mondavi. Here we go. Cheers. Only the best for the best. Fire going. Got our food going over here. Oh, this is life. Well, here they are. Pork and beans and pork.
Wrapping, well, pork and beans and beef.
Pork and beans and beef. You know, this looks really, really good. Pork and beans and beef hot dogs. And the first bite's always the best. Little bean and a beef hot dog. It's kind of hot. That's really, really good. Wow, look at this beautiful sunset over Kelso Dunes. All right, we got our s'mores, sponsored, sort of, by Woodbridge, Robert Mondavi. All right. Make some of our s'mores here. Just put them over the fire. Just like this. Cooking s'mores at Kelso Dunes. Boondock. Saying. The s'mores. So we're going to take this guy. I'm going to stick him here. Alright. I'm going to stick another one here. Alright. Yeah, we'll put that guy there. And now, we'll put our cookie on top and squish him down. Oh my gosh. Now that is a beautiful s'mores. Let's see what it tastes like. Holy moly. This is really good. And there's nothing better in life. S'mores, Woodbridge, Robert Mondavi, and good company.
And a beautiful fire.
And a beautiful fire. All right, it's a great morning at Kelso Dunes. And here we have the dunes. And our creosote bushes, they're still here. And I got my cup of coffee. Happy USA. And here's the Providence Mountains and the sunrise. Here's our little boondocking site with our citation. So this is a fantastic place to come stay if you want to park down by the dunes and boondock. Wow. I'm glad we found this place. Otherwise, I'm not sure what we're going to do. Okay. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.